Hello all and welcome back to Kitchen Crafts. I hope you guys are doing great. For a reason, I believe that a good food comes from well organized brains. And to have our brains organized, we need to keep our fridge organized, which I left 3-4 months back due to some reasons. So today I'm planning to organize the fridge with the help of fridge boxes and so on, which I haven't done before. So let's see how it ends. Before moving into the rest of the video, please subscribe to my channel and support me in doing more such videos. First, I organize the vegetables that I bought and then wash them all so that they'll be dried, and in meanwhile I can clean the fridge. As I said you a while ago, I'll clean and wash the vegetables to avoid a rush in my morning cookings. Cleaning the vegetables is done now and I kept them for a dry. As I said you, I left organizing my fridge a few months back and this is present situation which I want to change. Before organizing, I want to clean the fridge with a small DIY. Stay tuned for it. I used to keep green chilies, curry leaf, coriander in one basket. If one turns moldy, the rest all would also become the same. To clean the fridge, I removed all my old stuff first. For cleaning the fridge, I used a small DIY. That is, I dabbed the cloth in a mixture of vinegar, a small amount of paste, water, and 2 drops of dishwasher, which helped in cleaning the fridge neatly. And also, I have been using this tip for a long back and it kept my fridge clean. And by the way, the refrigerator is almost 12 years old. Thank you for this DIY. It's the time to reduce the temperature of the fridge as it is a rainy season. I have removed the side compartments out to clean them, and you can see that the stains are going easily with the DIY solution. Now you can see that the fridge is completely clean. To store the leafy vegetables, remove the stalks but not completely, as my mom used to tell that the stalks will have more nutrient values. So keep 1-2 inches from the leaves and then remove the rest of the stalks. My cleaning of veggies has been done. So now I am opening the containers which I have bought from Amazon. These containers comes with a removable plate at the bottom and that gives the veggies more life, like not becoming dry or not becoming moldy or watery in them. So this helps in keeping the veggies a good life. Now I'm adding a tissue at the bottom for the green leafy vegetables. If some water gets uh, stuck up at the bottom, this tissue will absorb it. Just for that case, I have added. It's optional. I have organized all the green leaf vegetables now and I'm keeping them aside for organizing the rest of the vegetables. I ordered these big containers from Amazon. I have ordered them for more leafy vegetables or like carrots, beetroot. To say you precisely, a vegetable which have a weight of 500 grams to 1 kilo between. For these big ones also, they have given a plate below to absorb the moisture of the vegetables. Also, I'm adding a tissue as an extra to be more cautious. Now it's the time to organize all our vegetables. I'm keeping cucumber in this basket and also tomatoes as well, where I can pick this basket for a salad easily. I'm wrapping this cabbage in a plastic wrapper which helps it to be more moist. as it was the end of the mango season, I bought them and now I'm keeping them in a basket as they will be consumed soon. Getting to my favorite fruit lychee, I kept in an airtight container and you can add the tissue at the bottom if you want them to last for at least 3 to 4 days. I ordered these fridge liners which helps you in any spills. No need to remove them, you can directly clean them in the fridge itself with the help of just a tissue. And now I'm showing you the demo on the same with some sauce. Gone right away, right? So now it's the time to cut the liners as per my fridge measurements. I kept the liners and they have fitted correctly, and now it's the time for the organizing. Let's have a look into my fridge once everything got organized. I bought the small containers from a nearby store to keep all my masalas, and to recognize them, I have written names with the help of labels. Here I am showing you how I managed to write the names on the labels. Let me know in the comment section how it looks. Previously, we used to have an egg tray here. As we are not taking them now, I removed the tray and used the place for organizing my masalas. Frequently used masalas are kept in a normal way, and the rest all are organized like the books in the bookshelves, which help me in keeping more boxes in a very small place. I have made a juice from the watermelon I bought for a small refreshment to have it in my midwork. All the juices and soft drinks goes into the side compartment. This way it will be easy for you to pick them whenever needed. Rest all goes into the other compartment like apple cider vinegar, sauces, any syrups, pickles, etc. I have organized my freezer as well. Just have a look on it. In this freezer container, I have kept the chocolates and some dairy needs like butter, cheese slices. So this way I avoid clumsiness and looks better now. It's the time to keep the fridge magnets at rest all stuff, which turns your refrigerator more beautiful not only from inside but also from the outside as well. These eco-friendly tube planters with magnets at the back which looked so cute, and I used them to keep money plants, and my dream got fulfilled, which I wanted to keep them from almost 1 year, and my husband gave me a surprise on this by ordering them. And I kept rest all magnets which I have ordered, and you can see the final look, and it's coming soon. Here goes with the final look, and I hope you all liked the video on my fridge organizing. Do let me know your comments and thoughts on this. Thank you all the subscribers who subscribe to my channel, and rest who are all watching my channel. Do support me by subscribing my channel, and also like, share and click on the notification button to get more such videos. Bye all.